Hello, and today I want to continue with the input buffering tasks. I wanted to adjust the speed up. Here it is, the speed up of the movements, because let me show you. Currently, the speed up is too much. So I wanted to use the size, but not in a so direct way. So the speed scale should be 1 as a baseline and depend on the size of the remaining twins, but each one of the remaining twins, that is, we should subtract 1 from this. Each one of the remaining twins, I say, should contribute some percentage of speed up. So let's add oh, let's call it speed up. And let's use a value of a half. Let's use this and see how it feels. Okay, perhaps it's too much. We can adjust on the fly with a half. If we reduce it a bit, let's see, 0.2. I think this is a bit slow. Let's test with 0. This should be no speed up at all. Okay. Yeah, that works. Okay. Let's use 1/3. Yeah, I think it's too much. I will use 1/4 for now. Okay. Now, this, of course, will be adjusted in the future by testing. Okay. This is done. Now, I wanted to add a kind of whoosh effect for the acceleration, but I think this should be part of the sound and not visual. So I will not do it right now. But I will note it needs to be a sound effect. And the main task I wanted to do today is to translate the floating effects and the movement of the arms to the new system, because right now, if I do from this position, if I do right and down very fast, let me see, let me reduce the speed of movement. As you see, the arms begin to position themselves before the movement reaches that position. So let's see. Let's do the floating first because I think it's easier. Let's make, let's see, this should be similar to the open or closed door because it receives, yeah, floating effect, floating. Let's receive a floating. And in this callback, we should call the float function. I think this float function assigns the state, which is okay. Let's see how is it used in the code. When we call it here, we assign the value first. Okay. In the play level and in the restore state level function. Yeah, we assign the state and then use it. Okay. And here in try mode. Okay. Now we should first store floating value and then floating effect with the current stage, I think, because the move function increments the stage. Okay. So current stage and the floating value. Okay. Now we fall, we come, etc. I think this should work. Let's see. We are setting the speed. Perfect. Left up, left up. Okay. Let's see if I reset, the floating effect disappears and reappears. Okay. Okay, that works. Now for the arms. The arms use a similar function. Let's see. We are using a twin here, but we must use the new system. So yeah, let's use this in the same way. Let's use this will be useful later. And let's duplicate this for the arms effect. This will be this variable. Let's call it up, and in the apply call, okay. We should use here we don't know match, and it should be staying here. Get no mutation. In the classes into no. Ah, yeah, because we need to use this and use this, I think. Okay, this should work, but we are not using it yet. Now, all the arms cores must be replaced by the new system. Let me change that quickly. Here, for example, in the restore state function, we must, instead of calling the function, stash and this value, and whereas in the moves, obviously, let's copy this. This is true. Well, this is the same logic. And here and here. Okay. Now, let's see if this works. For example, if I move 3 times and then down, perfect. The arms. Okay. Now, the restore states. How does the velocity is not very it's a bit disconcerting. Let's see. Let's return the value to the default. Let's use another level. Okay, it's a bit slow. It's a bit fast. Let's make it very slow. Ah, yeah, they are rotating, but it's not very. Perhaps this is because no, it's working. Yeah, it's a bit. Yeah, we lower the arms. Okay. Now the problem, I think, the move time. No, it's correct. Okay, I think it's good progress for today. I will mark it as done, although perhaps it has some bugs, but I will check it later. For now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and more importantly, recommend the channel to people you believe could enjoy this kind of content or learn something from it. Thanks.